Hello guys, this will be a very fast tutorial how to add anybody from any game server using Steam. So for me it's Ark, so what I do is just press Shift Tab while being on the server, and then I go View Players, and this will show you all the players of the server you're playing on. This is Ark, so it will show me all the people on this Ark server, and whoever you want to add, you just go Profile and add them. Just wait for this to load. Simple as that, guys. You go just add him. Yeah, see, I just sent him the request. He can add me back. We can play CSGO later. So if, for example, I wanted to add the guy in front of me and he said his team is blah blah blah, I go Shift Tab. This already popped up from before, and I just go Mr. Boom. Okay, I go Mr. Boom profile page, and then I go add friend. And then Mr. Boom can be my friend and we can play CSGO. Very easy, okay guys? Thanks for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, it really helps me out. And if you could subscribe, that will make my day very awesome. And yeah, peace out, and hopefully see you in the next video.